Faizan prepares a frequency distribution table for Jasprit Bumrah's wicket taken in the last 30 matches. So this is the table. So please have a look at the table. It might be a bit small. Let me zoom in a bit. The numbers, I think it's smaller. Yeah, please have a look. Okay. Can you make me understand, or can you make the person next to you understand what is the 6 indicate? That Bumrah took 2 wickets in 6 matches. So basically this means Bumrah, right, took 2 wickets in 6 matches, right? So let me discuss one more. What does this 6 mean? He was able to take 6 wickets in 1 match. And this 1 mean, what does it mean? He took 7 wicket in 1 match. Okay, so it's important for us to know how to read the table. You can take a second and look at what I have written. I'm going to erase this. Okay, I don't know if that is part of the exercise or not, but that's my duty to show every bit of knowledge I have. What information is this table giving? Okay, kind of indirectly asking us that. We have Bumrah's wickets. I mean, that's not the right information, but the table gives us how many, not wickets, Mr. Bumrah took in how many matches? Totaling to 20 matches. Next, what may be the title of this table? Bumrah's wickets. Bumrah's wicket in the last 20 matches. Alright, just a second. Bumrah's wickets in last 20 matches. That makes more sense, right? If I tell just Bumrah's wickets, is it a physical wicket, or is it the time he took a wicket? But for how many, nothing is clear. But if I tell Bumrah's wicket in the last 20 matches, it's clear that, okay, we're considering the last 20 and we're talking about Bumrah's wicket taking capacity. What caught your attention in this table? For me, him getting 7 wickets and the 6 wickets, that was pretty impressive. In how many matches has Bumrah taken 4 wickets? So 4 wicket is over here. How many matches has he taken? Yes, 3. Mayank says he must add, we must add, not he. We must add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7 to find the total wickets. We must add, okay, he's asking us to add this numbers up. Answer is yes or no? Answer is no. We must add what? We must add the number of matches. No, it does not give anything. So we need to give a solution. We need to add, what is this table? Values in number of matches column. How would you correctly figure out the total number of wickets taken by Bumrah in the last 30 matches? How would you correctly figure out? There's nothing wrong in this. I mean, the previous step was wrong, but I'll just add the number of, is it okay? It's 30 itself. I answered F, guys. I answered E and F. I didn't understand what was the question about, but yeah, this is E and F. So why should we add? Should we not add this? It's just indicating how many wickets he took, not the number of matches. So I'll also tell the first column indicates the number of or combination of wickets he has taken. Combination of taken. Okay, guys. That's that. I think we answered everything. Yeah. So one thing again I want to remind is table reading is also a skill. You need to have the sense that which is the data and what that data is reflecting on. This is the actual data. It is reflecting about 5 wickets being taken for 5 matches. 4 wickets were taken, and each match there were 3 matches in which 4 wickets were taken. Sorry, let me restate this. 5 wickets were taken in each of these 5 matches. 6 wickets were taken. Sorry, what am I telling? 6 matches, 2 wickets were taken. Am I telling ulta? Yeah, in 6 matches, 2 wickets were taken. In 8 matches, 3 wickets were taken. In 3 matches, 4 wickets were taken. Sorry, I kind of lost track over there for a second, but yeah, now I got it right. So in one match, he was able to take 7 wickets. That's pretty impressive. So yeah, that's that. And this is your answer. Again, you can phrase it in any ways you want. It's just me phrasing it.